Hey, today I have this 6-inch mini cordless chainsaw that I've been sent by the company. Let me show you everything that comes with it and then we'll put it to use. This includes a manual, gloves, safety glasses, a screwdriver, a charger, the chainsaw itself, a tool for removing the chain, an extra chain, and the lithium battery. This is how you slide the battery into the saw. To start the chainsaw, press the safety button in and squeeze the trigger. I use this mini chainsaw to cut through some low-hanging branches in my yard, and it cut through the branches with ease with its 800-watt professional-grade motor. It's 1.78 pounds, only 11% of the weight of a traditional gas chainsaw. It has a 2000 mAh removable and rechargeable battery that provides long, continuous cutting. Overall, I thought this mini chainsaw was great and I'm really impressed with it.